Today we're going to talk about printing and flashing with Stampinator M. So let's get into it. We're going to print the white. We're going to bring it around to the Stampinator M. We're going to go ahead and hit this for the underbase at 7 seconds. You can hit it as low as 3 seconds if you'd like, but on our final cure, we're going to go back and hit it for 14 seconds. So we're going to bring it back around. We're going to hit our top color to give it the pop. Now we're going to take it back to the final cure. And we're going to let that cycle through the countdown. There you have it. Smooth print, stamp flashed, and a final cure. All with the Stampinator M and the Riley 350.